Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Destash video. This is a Destash video for PayPal only, friends and family, US 18 years or older. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation. My email address is fphandmade@gmail.com. So this Destash is going to be $25 ship. That's $25 ship. So let's get started. So first up, I have this Spellbinders die set, and it's 6 pieces, and it's called Feathers. And then I have another Spellbinders. This is actually a Spellbinders a Destash, in case I didn't say that. And this is cutting dies. This is for Yana's Layered Script Sentiments. And if you guys watch Yana Smakula, I think that's how you say her last name, her on YouTube, this is her cutting dies with sentiments. It's happy birthday and thanks. And they have the background shadow die. So it's included that. And then I have this really cute Spellbinders die. I can't think of the, embossing folder. I can't think of the name of it. And it has a bunch of little bubbles. If you can see that. Well, that doesn't really help, does it? Maybe just keeping it like that. So it's a really, really big embossing folder. And then last but not least is the Spellbinders die of the month for this month. It's called Stitch Ornament and Display. Just got this in the mail a couple of days ago. I've been seeing videos on YouTube of this actual die, and it just wasn't my style, so I knew I would try to pass it on to someone who would want to use it. You can do stitching in it or not. It still looks pretty without the stitching. So if you are interested, check it out on here on YouTube. It's the Stitch Ornament Die and Display. There are several videos out there of crafters using this. So this is the large die of the month for October 2022. So you get the Stitched Ornament and Display die, the bubble embossing folder, the cutting dies, the 6 cutting dies for sentiments by Yana, and then an older leaf set called Feathers. Well, a feather set called Feathers. So that's it. So once again, it's $25 ship, and this is PayPal friends and family, 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour receipt of email confirmation, and please email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon.